Over 35 public universities across the country are breathing a sigh of relief after the university's academic staff union, UASU, suspended the national strike that was slated to kick off today. However, as Joel Chacha now reports, a section of the union leaders are lamenting a court order issued to hold the planned strike, terming it unfair.
In a statement, UASU National Secretary General Constantine Wasonga says the union had decided to suspend the industrial action to allow for more talks with government representatives. However, a section of lecturers from the University of Nairobi have contested over what they term as a hidden agenda being driven by university's top management.
The CBA, the university is keeping 600 million of a CBA that was paid last year. It's keeping 600 million. The vice chancellor keeps our 600 million. He wants to render us poor and destitute so that we cannot advocate for our rights. The 600 million from our CBA paid by the government. This guy is holding the money here.
Following the court order that prompted the union to hold the planned strike, the lecturers from the University Academic Staff Union now said the courts are being misused.
We know that we are the first ones who had a case in court and we had court orders. The first court order was that the CBA was supposed to be implemented as it was registered. So no one should come now with a court order and say, now this is happening, we only want to pick what is favorable for us from the courts, and then ignore what was initially supposed to be sustained.
Already students through the organization KUSO had expressed fear that the strike could further disrupt the education calendar that has already been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic.
Now, if students right now, if the lecturers strike, that means they will paralyze all happenings in the universities. That means no learning will take place normally. That means our students will not be taught, whether online, whether physical. And as the chairman, I feel it's very unfortunate. That is why I want to call upon the administration of University of Nairobi, the Ministry of Education, let even Commission of University Education also get on board. Let even the Committee of Higher Education, Parliamentary Committee on Education also to be part and parcel of this process. Let those lecturers be paid.
The demands of the Dons are revolving around the 2017-2021 CBA agreement that's yet to be fully implemented. Joel Chacha, Switch TV, Nairobi.
Thank you, Joel Chacha.